Okay, Sam, this one's for you. We get the tuner crate. Automotive subscriptions. I can't speak. This is the premium one. Little donut sticker there holding it all closed. Alright, what do we get? Receipt? No idea. It's 3D printed, whatever it is. Must be something else that goes with it. Ricky Bobby. And a Funko Pop. T-shirt. Ooh, it's a Skyline. Oh, I see. It's going from an R32 back to the OG Skyline from, I believe, the 70s. Sweet, that's pretty neat. Ah, another shirt. Ah, the Supra. Very good. Very nice car. Shirts feel like nice quality. Ah, we got a hat. Shred tires. Plan on shredding some tires if I ever get that 240 built. What else we got? Ooh, got a face mask. Oh, it's very interesting feeling. Don't know how durable it is, but it's cool. A pin. B is for build. And air freshener. B is for build. With car, I have no idea what it is. Probably not a real one. Ooh, then we got a playing card. This is 573 horsepower, 3.5 liter TT V6. That was an Audi. Huh, interesting. And we get a Shred Tires Christmas ornament. And then pick your car sticker pack. A Challenger, a Lambo, a GTR, a Supra. Data car guy. We break parts, not hearts. Oh, cool. And then we have the, say, like an 8x10 photo print. Is it a sticker too? Yeah, I think it's a sticker. Cool, it's huge. Oh, these are states. Ah, that's Montana, Wyoming, Colorado. Huh, interesting. And that's what you get in the tuner crate. Thanks, Mike and Sam, for the Christmas present. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing.